Give it your best, Pikachu.
I think... Let me get one more attack out of you.
Alright then.
Pikachu! And that's a wrap for Pikachu and Eevee. Who won this time? Let's see. I think I vote Eevee. Oh, alright. Let's just cheer for Eevee. Eevee won? Alright. Quite a match.
Yeah. Good job to you.
Thanks.
I was exhausted today. What was that?
Huh? Is that one of my Pikachu's powers? Electric things?
Are you okay?
Pikachu? You alright? I'm fine. I'm fine. I think I used too much energy when I used the lightning strike one of my opponents in Palantown. Yeah, maybe you should get a, like, you know, Poke Help? What the heck's a Poke Help?
I think it's mainly like a hospital for Pokemon or something.
See? She gets it. I can understand how what just happened. But, yeah, maybe we should keep going on for a hike to find more Pokemon opponents. So we get... Yeah, we know someone who is also one of the Eevee's evolution to help Pikachu. Eevee what?
Wait, are you saying the ones that are next door to Kanto? From Johto?
Ah, yes. Maybe we should go to Johto next.
I heard it's a lovely place there.
Indeed. Pikachu!
Yeah, we still gotta need some help.
I feel exhausted.
We can't give up yet.
I can't take this anymore. We just walked here like a few minutes ago, and now, but I think we just walked like 10 minutes ago? It doesn't matter, Squirtle. So, are we here at Johto now?
Yeah. We made it.
I am so hungry right now.
Well, luckily for you in Johto, that there's always plenty of berries around.
Oh yeah.
Like all kinds of sorts of berries.
Oh yeah. I didn't forget about that. Pikachu! Pikachu!
Oh, I think we should be close by to them by now.
By who? Or what, exactly?
Didn't you say that the other Eevees were getting as well?
Yeah?
Yeah. They should be close by.
Oh, thank God! Because...
Ah, boy. Well, hello there, dear. Oh! It's so good. Hey, Mom. Hey, it's good to see you, too.
That's your mom?
Yeah, like, sort of, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so we have a problem because... well, it's a long story. Pikachu is had an opponent match against your your daughter, and Pikachu had like a lightning problem, and like everything happened, he kept like sneezing, and then he could trying to get lightning struck because he wasted all too much energy to a lot of Pokemon opponents.
I see. So what you're saying is for Pikachu is that he's got too much static energy in him that he can't control?
Yeah.
We'll have to find a way to get that out of there. Having too much energy is not very healthy. Yeah, just as expected. He's got too much non-static energy in him. Too much to accept that he can't control himself.
And I was right.
We're gonna need to find a way how to get all that non-static energy out of him.
And how will we do that? Yeah.
It's usually a good idea how to get the static energy out.
And he had some like a little hiccups problems. I think that's part of his lightning strikes.
Yeah.
Pika.
Yeah, that's definitely like some kind of problem there. Hi, Dad.
She has a dad too?
Oh, hey, Eevee. Who's your friends there? Oh, that's Squirtle, Charmander, Bulbasaur, and Pikachu. What's up with him? He's got a bit too much static energy in him. Hopefully, he can find a way to get it out.
Because he has a lot of hiccups and everything and all that.
I see.
Wait, you can read our minds too?
Yeah. I think I might have an idea for it. This usually is a way that it could promise get all that energy, all that static energy, convert all that into energy. It might take a bit for it.
And how is that gonna work? How long did it take?
It shouldn't probably take too long until eventually that you'll start convolting into it. But it's good to see you guys. What makes you all here?
As you can see in the long story, Pikachu was fighting your daughter, Eevee, and yeah, that's all we know, and that's all we know. What happened to Pikachu? He's been using too much energy, fighting a lot of Pokemon opponents, beating the Team Rockets all the time, but as you can see about the Pokemon anime that Ash already left, because he became a Pokemon Master because it's a long story of our shows.
Yeah, kind of reminds me a lot with Trainer Red. You also became somewhat of a champion as well. Wait, you became the champion? Yep. And I was kind of with them for that end. Nice. I was with like I think it was a person that was called Ethan at one point. Hey, you two had trainers before? You didn't tell me about this before. I didn't think you would want to know. Yeah, I didn't think it was that important to tell you that.
Pika. Does it take like any seconds now or minutes?
Yeah, it might start being a lot staticky in there, but it should be eventually wear it off and get rid of all that statical energy in him.
So what are we gonna do without Pikachu?
I mean, we could do anything we want here while we wait.
Good point.
it should be ready now.
That was a long nap.
How do you feel?
I feel so much better now.
That's good to hear. You want to go see your friends? Let's go. Let's go. It's so good to see you again. I'm glad that you're feeling better.
Ooh, Pikachu and Eevee sitting in a tree. Kissin. Pikachu. Ow.
So we're not really in love. It's just a nice little head pat.
Well, I guess I'm feeling better now, Eevee.
That's good. So I guess we should be heading back?
Yeah.
I mean, if you ever wanted to see us again, you know where to find us. Alright.
Alright.
Have fun in Kanto.
I will.
Thanks, Mom and
We
Dad. And Peter's like, wait, what?
Wait, what? That's your parents?
Yeah, kind of, sort of. Even though we're not really a couple, but yet we both love and take care of little Eevee.
Oh.
So we're kind of like a parent to her.
That's nice.
Hope you have fun. Thanks. We're real proud of you, the way how you come by.
Autism.
Heh. Bye. Farewell. Have fun in Kanto. Alright.